Hey everyone, Dan Barrett here. Have you ever seen one of these things sitting around and wondered, how the heck do I use this? Well, rather than letting it go unused and serving as a $14,000 paperweight, watch this video where John Powers shows how to use a video conferencing cart, also known as a distance learning education cart.
Hi, I'm John Powers with Connectview. I'm here to show you how to use a distance learning cart or the video conferencing cart. What this is you have a video codec down here, and this sends video conferences. It allows you to talk to other schools, other people, anywhere in the world that's within this system. So what you would simply do is make sure that you come in. This is the video codec. You want to make sure this is on. This is your microphone. That needs to be on, and you need to turn on where your sound is coming out, and that's your sound bar with the remote. Make sure you have all these steps done. And when you have all those steps done, you simply go into settings. Inside your remote, you go over to audio, and you want to make sure that the microphone and the speakers are both on Phoenix MT600 as you see here. Once you check that, you'll want to go over to your video sources, which are your camera and your IOG, which is your share device that you can use to share content. And you'll want to make sure your camera source is on USB video camera. That may say 2.0 or 3.0. Then you want to go down to share contact source and make sure that says IOG. And that allows you to share what's on your computer. So once we're done with that, we can go back and you're ready to make a call. So in order to find who you're looking for within the system, you want to go here in the search bar. And you can use this. You can either type in your keyboard or you can use the remote. I'm going to use the remote here. And all you would do is go to your remote, select a character, and then toggle up to select the first letter. As we see here, we see the AG Blend building. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you'll have options to call or join, and you can also add to my contacts, which puts them back on the front screen that you just saw. So joining the call would be the call's already going on, and you're just simply joining into it and joining whoever else is in the party. So right now we're just going to give you a call. And now we're going to call. As you can see, this is the AG Blend building there, and they're having a meeting, and you still have your self view up over here that you can still see yourself. Now next we're going to push content so that what you're seeing on your laptop, they can also see inside the AG Glean room. How you do that is you simply take HDMI that's hooked into your laptop or hooked into the IOG and make sure it's plugged in to both sources. Once that happens, what we're displaying will come up here. So in order to share so they can see what you're seeing, you just simply come to the remote down at the bottom and you hit share. Once you hit share content, you'll see this little green box right here with the play button light up green. And they can see here everything that's going on in your room. So virtually you're both there at the same time. Now when you go, we're going to end the call, you just push disconnect, and that simply takes the call back. Now something also with the settings, when you go back to the settings, if you don't have these correct inputs selected, the microphone and the speaker, then you'll have an echo come back in. So if you're having an echo come in during the call, either on the party side or your side, you'll just simply go into the settings, which is on the remote, and you'll go back to this audio and make sure these two are set just as they are now. The same with the video. If they can't see what's going on, they can't see you, or they can't see what you're sharing, it's because your sources are off and you simply go in and set those. That's the number one problem that we have with these systems is they getting knocked off. Sometimes whenever an update happens or someone unplugs the codec, the settings will revert back to normal and you'll just have to go in and set those. Now to make sure that you're logged in, it'll either be green or red. So you can just go into settings again, and you'll go over to, this is your network. This is always supposed to be DHCP on, so if you can't pull internet, it's probably not on right. And then that would be your IP address, what you see here. And inside your account, this is your video portal. This would be your username, and then the password. The password should always be in there. So that's pretty much it. And my name is Jonathan Powers. I'm with Connectview. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this episode of Classroom Digital Tools. Make certain that you click on the subscribe button in lower right over there. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a positive comment. Your support is greatly appreciated. And always remember, teachers help keep the world moving forward. Thanks for watching and have a great day.